From handling customer inquiries and preparing quotations, to managing service teams, tracking daily tasks, resolving resident complaints, and generating invoices, most facility management companies still struggle with disconnected systems, manual processes, and delayed communication. What if you could manage your entire facility operation from a single platform? Introducing C-Facility Management, a complete Salesforce-powered facility management solution designed to streamline your end-to-end operations. With C-Facility Management, you can manage leads and quotations, automate contract creation, schedule and track services, empower facility managers with a dedicated task management system, enable residents to raise and track service requests through a self-service portal, and handle invoicing and payments, all from one unified platform. In this video, we'll walk you through the complete customer journey and show you how C-Facility Management simplifies operations for administrators, facility managers, and residents alike. So, let's get started. Meet Sarah Jose, the System Administrator at C-Facility Management. Sarah starts her day by managing all incoming leads in Salesforce. In the Lead module, she can easily view leads coming from multiple sources, such as the website, social media, referrals, and more. Let's open one of these leads. Inside the lead record, Sarah can see all the details, including the services that the customer is interested in. After having a discussion with the prospect and gathering the required information, Sarah converts the lead into a customer with just a few clicks. Once the customer record is created and all the necessary details are updated, Sarah can prepare a new quotation for the client. To do that, she simply clicks on the New Quote button and enters important information such as the facility manager, quote date, planned contract date, and other relevant details. After creating the quote, Sarah can start adding the required services. By clicking on the Add Quote Service button, she selects the service, specifies the quantity, and adds the shift details based on the customer's requirements. As soon as the quote services are added, Salesforce automatically creates the related service tasks. For each service, Sarah can review the task details and define the frequency, whether the task needs to be performed daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. Once everything is finalized, Sarah can generate a professional quote document and send it directly to the customer. And here's the best part. Once the customer approves the quotation, Sarah can convert the quote into a contract with a single click. All the associated service lines and tasks are automatically carried over to the contract. After the contract is created, Sarah can generate invoices directly from the contract by clicking the New Invoice button. Finally, once the payment is received, she updates the payment details and marks the contract as activated and sends it directly to the customer, completing the entire customer journey seamlessly within C-Facility Management. Now let's log in as Sunny Thomas, who works as the facility manager for Rose Homes. Sunny has access to a dedicated customer portal where he can easily view customer information, including quotes, contracts, daily service plans, and task schedules. One of the key features available to Sunny is the task management system. Since Sunny manages multiple customers, he can simply select a customer from the list and instantly view the daily service plans along with all the related tasks in an easy-to-use task board. To make task management even more efficient, Sunny can filter tasks based on service type or current status. This helps him focus on the most important activities for the day. As tasks are completed, Sunny can simply drag and drop them into the completed column and quickly update his comments or remarks without leaving the screen. But facility management is dynamic, and urgent requests can come in at any time. If a new task needs to be handled immediately, Sunny can click on the New Task button, enter details such as the service task and task description, and save it. That's it. The task is instantly added to the task board, ensuring that no important activity is missed and day-to-day operations continue smoothly. One of the biggest challenges in most facility management systems is effective case management. At C Facility Management, we have addressed this by providing a dedicated self-service portal for unit owners, tenants, and staff members. Let's see how it works. Meet Christopher, a unit owner who is facing an issue in his apartment due to a leaking kitchen tap. Christopher logs into the portal, where he has the option to report either a unit issue or a common area issue. Since the problem is inside his apartment, he selects Unit Issue. Next, he chooses the property, tower, floor, and finally selects his unit. Once these details are entered, Christopher clicks Next. On the next screen, he selects his relationship as Owner. Based on this selection, all his contact information is automatically populated, saving both time and effort. Christopher then enters the case subject and provides a detailed description of the issue. After reviewing the information, he clicks on Raise Case. For additional security, an OTP is instantly sent to his registered email address. Once the OTP is successfully verified, a new case is automatically logged into the system. Now, let's see how the facility manager handles this request. Once the case is received, the facility manager can review all the details and, if required, create a new service request directly from the case. While creating the service request, the manager can add the required service details along with a detailed description of the work to be performed. In many situations, additional materials or products may be required to resolve the issue. In such cases, the facility manager can easily add service request lines to capture the products or materials purchased for the service. After adding all the required items, the manager can generate a new invoice directly from the service request. Once the unit owner completes the payment details can be updated in the system, and the final invoice can be shared with the customer, all from a single platform. This ensures complete transparency, faster issue resolution, and a seamless experience for both residents and facility management teams. By digitizing and automating your facility operations, organizations can significantly reduce manual effort, improve team productivity, ensure timely service delivery, enhance customer satisfaction, and gain complete visibility into day-to-day operations. Whether you're managing residential communities, commercial properties, or multiple facilities, C Facility Management helps you deliver better services while operating more efficiently. Drop a comment below or reach out to us if you're interested in a demo of our product. Looking forward to connecting with you all. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.